Okay, so I have sewed my undercollars together, and make sure you trim it. So I forgot to tell you to do that. Okay, then you're going to pin it to the jacket. Okay, so you've got the center backs pinned together. Then you're going to pin the shoulder to a marking on your undercollar. This little pattern doesn't have that marking, so just go ahead and work on that. Match up your dots, your notches. Then what you want to do is you want to, because we don't have a dot here, you want to make sure you, what I like to do is take a ruler and mark 5/8. See, here's 5/8. And then take it on this side and mark 5/8. So if you just line up your 5/8 like that, and then mark it like this, then can you see how they cross? And that's where you want to match it up. I also did on this corner, but there it is there. Now, some of your patterns will have a big dot at the corner. This one doesn't, but really it's just where your 5/8 is. So, okay, there we go. Okay, now I can come over here. Now this is, remember that this is the dot of all dots, and that's got to match up to here. And so I'm gonna put this in here, right where those cross. Okay, get that just right on. Okay, now one thing I noticed, I marked on the right side. Mark on the wrong side. Yes, good thing this is a sample. All right, so if you mark on the wrong side, you'll have it there. And then I'm just gonna match that up right here. Okay, so this should go. Okay, so now here it is. So that is where I stop. Okay, now I noticed that I put, I'm right here at the top of this dot, because well, I'm gonna redo it. I like to do the middle, but anyway, or if the middle is where you got your dot, that's okay. Mine's right here at the top of this, so I just want to make sure I got that right. No, actually, looks like it's in the middle, so I can go to the middle here. But this dot is a little bit, seems like it's a little bit further in than 5/8. Yes, it is a little bit further in, so that's where I'm going to go to. Okay, and I'm just going to mark this. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Now this is called a terminated seam. That's because we terminate it before we get to the end. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to go 5/8 all along here. Okay, and I'm going to go over to here, and I'm going to mark this one on the right side, on the wrong side, which is the correct place to mark it. I marked it on the front because my other markings are showing on the front because we used a felt pen. So anyway, mark it on the wrong side. Okay, there we go. And then I'll be able to see it. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just gonna take this right in the middle there, and I'm going to take it and put it right here. Okay, so there it is. And then I'm gonna pin that. The middle of that goes through there, and the end of it is really on there. So, okay, and then now I can match this up and see my notches are matching up good. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna make sure I've got this marked good, or I've got it pinned good. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and sew this.